This is Vanessa, and I'm here to show you how to make something with these wonderful watermelon radishes that you may have seen on one of my other videos, showing about local buys that I get when I go buy produce from the local farmers. A couple people had asked what I would do with this. You can eat it raw, you can bake it, you can fry it, or not, yeah, I wouldn't deep fry it, but you know, skillet fry it, you can pickle it, you could slice it up and put it in a sandwich, you can decorate salads really nicely with it or any kind of entree. And so what I'm going to show you is beautiful cucumber and watermelon radish salad with little sprouts on top. That's what we're going to make. As you'll see, I am just starting with some basic ingredients. The watermelon radish that I did get at the local market, cucumber, salt and pepper, and these sprouts right here that are radish sprouts, and then some organic olive oil. This comes from the Brassica family, which is the mustard family, which is basically where the same category as broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, turnips. And anyways, I buy these. I eat almost one a day during this season. They're highly in season in the fall and spring. Often would tend to kind of like want to chop these up, dice, like not dice, but you know, big and chunky, and do that with the cucumber, kind of like you do a tomato and cucumber cold salad. Yet these are so beautiful that I'm also tempted to kind of do the more beautiful display of them. So you can use a mandolin, but I don't have one of those right now. Slice them thin. And you see how beautiful they are. I just love these. I'm going to do the same thing with the cucumber. I think you're all familiar with the cucumber. And then I'd like to just drizzle a little bit of olive oil. So I just use organic olive oil. I could squirt a little bit of lemon on here right now, but unfortunately I'm out of lemon, as ironic as that is. So you can just pretend that I squeezed a little bit of lemon. A little salt and pepper. For a closer look. And then the last touch is adding a little bit of, I got this from the farmer's market as well, grown locally by the farmers that live nearby. Sprouts, but they're radish sprouts. I chose radish sprouts at the farmer's market because that's what they had that looked appealing to me. These are really pretty, like the watermelon radish as well. You'll see they have purple stems. And so this makes a beautiful accompaniment to any meal that you make. Light, crisp, crunchy, very fresh, and very beautiful. And if you have this on any of your meals, a salad, a sandwich, or just a side dish, you will find that people will be probably pretty impressed and think they're pretty cool, as I do. So I look forward to seeing your version. Let me know how it goes when you venture to your farmer's market and get your own local fresh watermelon radish and what you create with it. Thank you for chiming in. Take the time to cook your own meals and get the nutrition your body is asking for. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye. Vanessa signing off here. If you like this video, please click below